Hey everyone, it's Trendolosity here. Hey now, as humans, we're fascinated by the future, and lately a big part of that future seems to be artificial intelligence. So today we're tackling the big question, will a robot steal your job? AI, like ChatGPT, is changing the employment landscape. It can write, translate, and even code. So, is it time to panic? Hold on to your hats as we explore 8 jobs that might change soon. Welcome to our channel. Chapter 1. Remember navigating a phone tree to talk to a human about your internet bill? AI might make those frustrating experiences a thing of the past. ChatGPT can handle basic inquiries like resetting passwords or answering FAQs, and it never gets tired or needs a coffee break. But does this mean all customer service jobs are doomed? AI struggles with complex problems or showing empathy, things humans excel at. Chapter 2. From blog posts to social media captions, AI is entering the world of writing. ChatGPT can generate poems, code, scripts, music, emails, letters, and answer your questions informatively. Writers and editors are concerned. Will AI make human creativity obsolete? AI lacks original thought. It learns from data, struggling with groundbreaking work. Chapter 3. We live in an age of information overload, and making sense of all that data is crucial for businesses. This is where data analysts come in, but AI is quickly becoming adept at identifying trends and patterns. ChatGPT can analyze vast data sets and generate reports, potentially streamlining the work of data analysts. However, just like with other fields, human expertise remains vital. AI can analyze data, but it's human analysts who can provide context, interpretation, and ethical considerations, things AI isn't quite ready for. Chapter 4. Support specialists. Is your next tech support agent digital? Remember those frustrating calls to tech support? Have you tried turning it off and on again? Well, AI might be coming to the rescue, or at least to the IT department. ChatGPT can troubleshoot common technical issues, provide step-by-step instructions, and even answer complex questions about software or hardware. This could lead to a shift in IT support roles, with AI handling the more routine tasks, freeing up human specialists to tackle more complex problems. Chapter 5. Translators lost in translation? Not anymore. The world is increasingly interconnected, and language barriers can be a real obstacle. AI-powered translation tools like ChatGPT are getting better all the time, capable of translating languages quickly and accurately. This raises questions about the future of human translators. While AI can handle basic translations, nuances in language, cultural context, and specialized terminology still pose challenges. So, human translators, especially those with specialized knowledge, are likely safe for now. Chapter 6. Paralegals, AI in the courtroom. The legal profession is known for its mountains of paperwork. Paralegals play a crucial role, but could AI make their jobs easier or replace them? ChatGPT can be trained on legal documents, making it adept at research and drafting. This could impact paralegals' workload, leading to changes in the field, but human judgment and ethics mean they aren't being replaced soon. Chapter 7. Market Research Analysts, predicting the future of the future. Understanding consumer behavior is crucial for businesses. Market research analysts gather and analyze data to identify trends and predict what consumers want. But guess what? AI is getting pretty good at that too. ChatGPT can analyze market data, identify patterns, and even predict future trends. This could have a significant impact on the role of market research analysts, potentially automating some aspects of their work. However, just like with data analysis, human insights and strategic thinking will remain essential. Chapter 8. Tutors. Will AI be grading your homework? Education is another field where AI is making its mark. ChatGPT can provide personalized learning experiences, answer student questions, and even grade assignments. This has led some to speculate about the future of teaching and tutoring. Will AI replace teachers altogether? While AI can be a valuable tool for personalized learning and support, it's unlikely to replace the human connection and empathy that are so crucial in education. 8 jobs will evolve with AI. Embrace the possibilities, don't panic. AI is a tool for good or bad. We shape AI's role in our workplaces. It's about humans and AI creating a better future. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.